Kamusta mga brad? Samahan niyo ako. Panoorin natin 'tong bagong video na 'to na nag-shoplift sa mall. So tingnan natin kung paano siya nahuli.
July 19th, 2024, officers arrived at a Sephora store after reports of an in-progress retail theft involving two women. It all began as a casual shopping trip that quickly turned into a police-led reality show. Watch the video to see what actually happened.
Listen, right now, let's go over here to the corner because I gotta talk to all you guys about whatever Sephora stuff, okay?
Okay. Wait, what
So
happened?
go over here, take a seat. Go over here, take a seat. Yeah, or just lean against the wall. Do you guys got IDs on you?
The moment officers asked for IDs, the excuses started flowing faster than Sephora's holiday sales. When the cops told them to put their hands behind their backs, the confusion kicked in, as if they couldn't believe Sephora's security had finally hit them with the plot twist.
Yeah, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Okay. So, you said she's a...
Fine. Sit over here.
Sit over here. Take this off, put your hands behind your back. What is going on?
Right now, you guys are being detained for the shoplifting investigation. So, did you write it? So, her too? Yeah. Okay. All right, here. Here, I'm gonna put your phone. I'm gonna put your phone and bag down so I don't drop your phone. Okay.
Just put my phone right here. Ooh. Okay.
So, you guys sure you don't have any ID on you? It'll just make it easier to find you.
I don't have it.
No? Okay.
I didn't bring mine.
Basically, they walked in. I was on the sales floor, so I noticed her right away with the girl with the shades and the hat, plus the bag. I looked at her. She didn't smile at me or anything. She just
Was she involved at all or no?
the one with
The one that's standing right there.
No,
She wasn't involved.
She was just doing makeup. Honestly, I think she was just a distraction. But
Okay.
I watched these two, and they separated. And they went by skincare, selected our skincare products. I watched them put it inside the bag from the CCTV. So I got clear footage of them concealing it. She placed an item inside her jacket, and then she put it inside her bag and took out the item in her jacket. They walked out, and that's when I called you guys.
Okay.
And I followed them down there. I guess they saw me following them, so they turned back and they came this way.
Okay. We're gonna walk over to your office and just look through the stuff. Okay.
They usually park in the back by Neiman Marcus.
They do?
Yeah, because she asked me where the exit was, the one with the cop, and they work in a team.
Okay.
And the escape vehicle gotta be in the back.
Oh, so they have a vehicle in the back.
No doubt. That's how they come. Or they come to the truck court, which is not for
Oh, so
employees.
they're repeat offenders, I'm guessing.
I got
Yeah.
you. I'll walk over there with you. Just give me 1 second. He says fine, yeah.
Alright, you're good to get out of here.
I can't just get out of here.
Well, you're gonna have to walk
You're
away
gonna leave,
while we're
yeah.
doing our thing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Um,
Call you out.
I'm gonna go with him real quick. Do you mind to sit with them?
Yeah.
I read both. I read her. Did you read
I
her?
did.
Perfect. All
You gonna
right.
ask for anything or?
Just hold off right now.
Yep,
Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah. Thank you. Be right back.
The officer reviewed the surveillance footage and discovered both suspects working together to hide multiple items in their bags.
How do you pronounce your first name again? So again, my name is Officer Timothy, right, with the Phone Police Department. Again, you're detained right now, all right, for my investigation, okay? So I'm going to afford you the opportunity right now,
I can't hear you.
but I'm going to afford you the opportunity right now to be honest with me and tell me what's going on today.
What's going on?
What happened in the Sephora? Why am I here?
While I'm here,
Why am I here? And why are you in cuffs right now? I'm going to let you think. I have cameras on every single angle in that
said
store.
he see me take something.
Okay. So did you take something?
Did I take something?
Yes.
I was looking and stuff like that, and I was trying on stuff.
Okay.
But
Again, right? I'm trying my best to work with you, right? Because it goes a long way. If you're honest with me in the front end of my investigation, it goes a long way, right? I already watched all the camera footage. I know exactly what happened. It's seeing if you're going to be willing to work with me and talk to me and tell me what happened.
what
Okay?
you mean? I'm already like in this predicament.
Okay.
You already
Well,
got your mind made up.
Okay, so here's the thing. Again, if you don't want to talk, you want to tell me what happened, that's fine, right? You're saying, hey, he told you that he saw you take something and you're not admitting to it right now. you're still detained. If you're not going to answer any more of my questions, that's fine. Just hang tight, all right?
Once in cuffs, the suspect tried a new angle, pretending the makeup in her bag was all hers. You forgot that Sephora had CCTV receipts, literally, and security wasn't fooled either.
So you didn't purchase anything at the store? Okay. So why are they saying that you took stuff from the store? Why are they saying that you took stuff from the store?
I don't know. I have a bunch of makeup stuff in my bag because I do like my makeup, but all my makeup stuff is in my bag.
So all your makeup stuff's in there?
Like what I brought from home.
None of the stuff from their store is in your bag? So like I said, they have video of you being in there.
Yeah, I was
So would it make any sense that they're watching you while you're putting stuff into your bag?
wouldn't make any sense.
You're saying you didn't take anything, but they're watching you on the camera while you're sticking stuff in your bag. Is that an accurate statement? Yes. So what in that bag belongs to Sephora?
I just got ordinary from there.
You got ordinary?
Yeah.
Is that the skincare or is it makeup?
No, the skincare.
Skincare.
That's all I got.
Okay. What kind of skincare? Is it like oil, face wash?
It's for your face, but I think it's just like acne.
Acne stuff? Okay. Now when you got that, who selected it? You or her? Did you take it off the shelf or she did?
When I got the ordinary, I took it off.
You took it off the shelf. Where did you put it?
It's in my bag.
No, I know, but did you stick it in your bag? Did you walk around with it?
No, I didn't walk around.
Okay, so you just stuck it straight in your bag. Okay. Do you have money to pay for any of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you try to pay for it before you left? Okay. So you went in there with the intent to take something without paying, right?
No, not necessarily.
Okay. So at some point, you came to the conclusion, I'm going to take this without paying. Is that accurate? Okay. I got you.
We're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Officer Kuhn is going to go through. I said Officer Kuhn, right? This is the officer that's standing here with you. She's going to go through your bag, right, and take out the items that you took, all right? Is this your bag right here? Okay. And this is your phone on top of it, correct?
I didn't know where my phone went.
No, yeah, no, I had your phone, yep.
Oh.
Yep. If you don't mind just going through it.
I don't get it. Both are just 19 and already stealing tiny little things. Like, seriously? If this is what these girls are doing now, what will they do in the future? They may likely rob a bank.
Is there anything else or just...
I gotta go see because apparently there's a bunch of stuff.
She's saying this, like the ordinary. Was it just one bottle or two?
It was
Two?
Okay.
everything else in there is my makeup stuff that I originally had.
Do you want to have him over here and take through it?
Yeah.
There's a bunch of stuff.
I'll walk it over there with him so it's
Okay.
easier sort of playing back and forth. But I know for sure you're saying that it's these two, correct? Okay. All right. Sit tight. Like I said, you're still detained right now, as are you. I'll be right back. All right. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. I'm gonna grab that as well.
Go ahead and go.
Okay.
But don't take my whole bag.
Well, I'm taking your whole bag because right now, again, you're detained. Okay. So you're telling me before that you didn't take anything, but there's
I
gonna be.
didn't say I didn't take anything. I just said he told me that I took something.
Okay. I'm asking you straight up, right? Because regardless, you're taking a ride with me today. I said, regardless, you're taking a ride with me. You're going to jail
I
today.
can hear you.
You're going to jail.
Okay.
You're under arrest, right? So this is simple. I want to go through your bag and make sure, hey, what exactly you took is going to go back to them. If you're saying there's other stuff in there that belongs to you that you paid for, you need to let me know.
You can, what you call it?
Okay.
I just gotta see what you're taking out though.
Okay.
The search through their bags was like unboxing a chaotic influencer haul. Some items were old and used, while others were fresh from Sephora's shelves, and some were awkwardly stripped from their packaging.
Okay.
What?
Go ahead.
You took this?
Yes.
Is this from Sephora?
Yes, it is.
Okay, the stuff you did not pay for, correct?
Right.
Okay. Yes? That's it? The 3 items?
That's all. What else?
Nothing? This? Okay.
That's mine.
Alright. Can you just search this one? Yeah. I'm gonna bring this one over there because there might be more in here. Okay.
Are you good if I switch out with someone? And then
100%.
O'Neill's here, I mean, for the church.
Yeah, no, 100%. Yeah.
Appreciate
Thank you.
it.
Yep, right back. All right.
I need you to ring me.
Okay.
So we had a bunch of items. I just want to make sure. Yeah, it's yours. So these 4 items in here. This is what the girl in the blue dress, the tight blue dress, said that she took. Okay. Those 4 items. So far, the woman in the pink hat with sunglasses said she just took these 2 ordinaries. She's got a bunch of different makeup in here. It all looks older, right? Do you see anything in there that is from your store? I didn't see anything because it all looks used.
Got it. Yeah, she took these out of the box.
Out of the boxes. Okay. Okay. Everything else again looks like it's all old and it's hers.
On that one, that's all.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Not opened. Okay.
That's the first one.
That's the first one. Okay.
Remember, I don't have these emails like 30
Okay.
seconds available to you right now.
Okay. Perfect. She's out there, but she's leaving in 30 minutes. I just want to get another officer out there. That's all. That's all good. He's gonna walk over real quick, just take pictures of them, and then we can search. 15. All right. So listen, you're gonna be placed under arrest right now for retail theft. Okay. What's that? You'll be placed under arrest for retail theft. Okay. You understand? Yes. Taking items out of a store, right? Acting in concert with your friend to take all these items out. So you're being placed under arrest, okay? Officer Coon's gonna search you real quick, and then we're gonna bring you to the police department to finish paperwork, all right? All right, stand up.
By the end, the show was over. Officers pieced the story together and confiscated the stolen goods. Both women were charged with retail theft.